Hi Tita Elsie, happy 65th birthday. Thank you po kasi lagi kaming welcome dyan sa bahay nyo kapag nabisita kami. Thank you din po sa pag-support nyo sa friendship na nabuo namin magkakaibigan throughout the years. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and happy family. Thank you, happy birthday!
Hi, Elsie! Andito ko kila Mama Dit ngayon. Ito ang regalo namin sa iyo. Kaming dalawa, oh.
Ma! Luman!
Oh, Elsie. Oh, ang ganda. Nandito si tita natin. Nagsama kami.
Yan ang birthday present namin sa iyo, si Elsie, okay? Tawagan mo ako pag matuloy kayo para nakaredy ako. Okay, Elsie,
Okay.
please.
Okay. Happy birthday to namin.
Happy birthday!
Ma!
Sanel and
Hi Els! Happy birthday! Cheers! Wow, 65 na siya ba? Sige, enjoy life lang Sabay pa, tagaan ka ni Lord sa maayong panglawas permit, ang proteksyon, madamo pa nga pinuig, mabot sa iyong kinabuhi. Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninang Elsie. More birthdays to come, good health, and enjoy your retirement. Happy birthday po.
Hi Mama Elsie and Sean. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Hello, Atasi. Happy birthday! Wish ko lang, sana maging masaya ang birthday mo ngayon. Enjoy at more blessing. Thank you!
Good morning, everyone. Just want to wish everybody a good night for you guys, because tonight is the night for Ate Elsie. Happy birthday, Ate Elsie, and happy retirement. It's time to travel. So I hope to see you guys here in the US in August. And sana all for your retirement. I got 17 years to go. Oh my God. But at the LC, I wish you the best. Nothing but the best. Thank you for always being sweet. And we love you. Take care. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Elsie.
Ate,
Congratulations on your retirement and happy 65th birthday. Enjoy your day.
And more birthdays to come.
And
Wish you good health and more blessings to come.
And thank you, Ate El, sa mga pasalubong and padala sa amin every time na ulit kami ng Pinas. Thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Hi, Ate Elsie. Happy birthday and happy retirement. Sana mas umaba ang buhay para mas ma-enjoy ang retirement. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy 65th birthday, Tita Elsa. Ako, 65 ka na gali. Doon sa San O ka lang nag-senior birthday. Enjoy lang ang retirement. Travel na lang. Good health lang per me. Para kay Joy. Bye!
Hi, Els! Happy birthday! Hi, Elsie. Happy birthday. Birthday mo ngayon, di ba? Yan, regalo ko sa'yo, nandiyan na kay Alma. Bibigyan niya sa iyo mamaya. Okay? Ano ba, matuloy ba kayo? Balitaan mo naman ako. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Tawag kayo mamaya. Okay? Andiyan ang regalo mo kay Alma. Bibigyan niya sa iyo mamaya. Okay, love you. Kumusta kayong lahat?
Hello, everyone. I would like to greet my sister, Elsie, for her birthday and retirement day rin. Okay? Happy 65th birthday, sister. May the good Lord will bless you more. Enjoy your life. Okay, I will sing for you. Hey. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you and your family. Bye.
Tunuga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sister Elsie.
Elsa, happy birthday. God bless. Wow, 65 na siya.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Araw-araw. Happy birthday. Birthday.
Els, happy birthday ah. Enjoy lang ang enjoy ah. Habang malakas pa. Yan lang. Magpakasaya ka lang. Araw ng birthday mo.
Els, happy birthday! Happy retirement! Wish ko lang, good health always. Happiness. And God bless you. All the best for you. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Elsie, congratulations on your retirement and happy birthday. You're lucky. We love you all.
Hello, Tita Elsie. Happy birthday po sa inyo. God bless always and more blessings to come. Happy birthday.